Afternoon guys, so it's finally happened. I've been able to bring home the 450W. There was a delay in getting this thing home, and that was that there was a shortage of buckets through the guy. So a special thank you I should mention to Digzilla for allowing me to bring this machine home. I didn't purchase it, it was sent to me on loan to demonstrate to you guys the effectiveness of the new wheeled 450W. And the delay was a shortage of buckets. Plus we had to have an adapter made up, or Digzilla had to have an adapter made up, because the buckets were touching the wheels here, so they made an adapter. Future models have overcome that by changing the position of the mounting plate on the bucket. So if you are ordering a 450W, there is a Pacific bucket for the machine. So let's watch me unload this. It's been a while since I've operated a machine with H-pattern, never alone a wheeled machine. This is the first wheeled machine other than a Kanga that I've had on this property. Here we go. So I'm not going to lie, that was super smooth and super easy. I'm actually really impressed with how easy that was to unload. Let's get the trailer put away, and I guess the first thing you all want to see is how much it tears up the ground. I'm going to mow a section of grass down here in a couple of days, so I'll do it on the grass, but for the time being here I'm going to rake this gravel up. I'm going to do a 360 on this. I'm going to clean it up and bring over this T800 and do a 360, and we'll see which one tears up the gravel the most. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.